Good morning, everybody. It's NJT Track Guy. Today is May 10th, 2013, and I'm here for another update on One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. Today marks a very significant milestone for this tower, as the top piece to the antenna has been installed. There it is. That is the final piece to the antenna. With that final piece being installed, One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, is now the tallest building in the United States. It is the tallest building in the United States and the Western Hemisphere. You can also see now that the glass on the southwest side has been completed. So this is pretty much your perspective on how this tower is going to look. So I will be going around the site as usual to bring you the latest on what's going on. Today is May 10th, 2013. I'm going to give you another look at the top of the antenna. Sorry about this shaking. Alright, I'm going to continue around the site as usual and bring you the latest. There's a lot to see and talk about, so let's get started. Here is Tower 4. Tower 4 World Trade Center. Its glass is nearly complete at this time also. They just need to wrap in the bulkhead and that'll be it. It'll be complete externally. Yeah, I need to be careful not to film into the sun. Alright, this is South End Avenue and Liberty Street. Another look at 1 and 4 World Trade Center. It's probably a news helicopter flying overhead. The west corner and the southward, I believe it's south, yeah, it's the south corner, are complete in terms of the glass. The 3 communications rings are nearly done, but there's still a lot to do. As you can see, the 3rd ring is making its way around. There's the top to the antenna. Tower 4. And I'm going to go ahead and move closer to it. It's been a nice clear day today, considering it's been raining the last few days. The tower's looking better and better. Alright, let's continue. There's a lot to see. Here's the base. This side is nearly complete, just with the lobby remaining. Here's Tower 3. It's still on hold at this time. I'm not even seeing the machines that were to pour the concrete not installed yet. They have not yet been reinstalled. Up there with the oranges, it's going to act as a temporary roof. But I really hope 3 is built. I'm pretty sure it will be. Just gonna have to continue to wait for tenants. Here's Tower 4. Sorry, I can't film into the sun. I'm gonna have to get a better look. Over there is the Vehicle Security and Screening Center. And it's behind a truck. I'm gonna have to wait to get closer to that. But then again, yeah, here's the Freedom Tower, standing at its full 1,776 feet. This is Liberty Street and West Street. Here's a straightforward look at the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. Here is Tower 4. I'm standing under the bridge, so I'm not into the sun. Just that small hole needs to be filled up. Just that small hole needs to be filled up. Here's another look of Tower 3's podium base. Again, still on hold because we need tenants, but should be up sooner or later. We now have construction lighting in there as well, but nothing significant. Tower 2 is a whole different story right now. Well, it's the same story, but it's still very far behind. Again, we need to wait for a tenant in order for it to start building, start construction. Again, it should happen sooner or later. So here again is One World Trade Center. Again, you can get a look at the communications rings and the antenna, especially the top piece. Here's the progress on the Vehicle Security and Screening Center. Not much you can see, but I can tell it's gaining a lot of work as more concrete is being filled in. But again, the majority of it is underground, so that's where all the work is being done, other than this.